duster. In the previous video, we see the top and bottom. First, we will discuss about that. Okay, this is the duster. Which is the top and which is the bottom? First, I will discuss. This is the top and this is the bottom. In the previous video, we discussed about that. Okay, so you all of you understand in the previous video what is the top and what is the bottom. In the next, in this next video, we see the nearer and further. So first we see standard first, subject maths, nearer and further. Okay, so open your textbook, page number 6. In this page number 6, we see the nearer and farther. So first we have to understand what is meant by nearer and what is meant by further. Okay, so farther and nearer, there are two meanings. Okay, so first we see this is the duster, okay, and this is the chalk. Okay, this distance is the nearer distance. Okay, and this chalk goes to this side. Okay, this is the long distance and this is the close to the distance. Close to the distance means is the nearer, what? Nearer distance, and its chalk is going to this side. This is the long side. Its meaning of farther. So students have to understand. So today we are going to learn about nearer and farther. Okay, so listen carefully what is meant by nearer and what is meant by farther. In the page number 6 in our textbook, all of you open now. Very good. Page number 6, nearer and farther. See the first picture. Okay, all of you see the first picture. Okay, very good. In this first picture, what we see? In the first picture, there is two trees, one house and two birds. Okay, in this house, take the bird nearer to the home. So all the students see in the textbook, page number 6. In this picture, you have to tick. In this picture, you have to tick the nearer bird. Okay, I will show you the picture of this. In this picture, you see there is two trees, house and two birds. So this bird's color is a pink and this bird's color is a yellow. Okay, there are two birds. There are house, two trees and yellow color bird. So see what the question. Take the bird nearer to the home. So the which one bird is nearer and which one bird is the farther. So you have to take the correct one. Okay, so see here, the pink bird is nearer at the home. Which color bird is nearer at the home? This pink bird is the nearer at the home. So this yellow bird is nearer at the home? Yes or no? No, because this is the long distance at the home. That's why this is called a farther and this is called a nearer. Nearer means close to the home. What? Close to the home. And there is pink bird and house. This is the close to the distance. And see this yellow bird and this house, there is a long distance. So it's meaning of farther. Okay. See the next picture. In the next picture, what's the question? Take the cat farther from the tree. Okay, there are two cats and one. Okay, what we tell about that mouse? Okay, mouse. Mouse and two cats are there. They are playing with each other. In one cat, it come to the nearer by this mouse because the mouse is standing under that tree, his house, and the cat is hiding the stone. And this cat seeing this cat and he is talking with each other. So you have to tell me which cat is the nearer and which cat is the farther. Okay, see there are two cats. In the hiding stone, his cat is nearer or this cat is the nearer. So what the question we see? Take the cat farther from the tree. So you have to see farther from the tree. So you have to take the farther. Okay, so see, where is the farther? This. The hiding cat is so long. That's mean why you have to take the farther. And this cat is close to the mouth. So this is called a nearer. And this hiding cat is the long distance. So you have to take the farther. So next in the page number 7, we see the nearest and farthest. Okay, so see the page number 7. So next nearest and farthest. Okay, we in the first page number 6 we see the nearer and farther. Nearer and farther, what's meaning? Nearer means close to, and farther means long distance. So all of you understand what is the nearer and what is meant by farther. So in the next we see the nearest and farthest. Okay, nearest and farthest, what's meaning nearest? In this, so I am standing in the blackboard. It is the nearest. Okay, and I am come to the here. So this is the long distance. It's called means farthest. Okay, so you have to understand what is meant by nearest and what is my farthest. So I will explain again. Nearest means I am close to this blackboard. I am close to this blackboard. It's meaning nearest. Okay, and I am come to that side. It's meaning of farthest. So you have to understand what is meant by nearest and what is meant by farthest. Okay. See the page number 7. In the page number 7, we see the first example. In the first example, both children are playing. Okay. So open your textbooks. All of you open now. Yes. So page number 7. See next nearest and farthest. I will show you picture of nearest and farthest. So you have to better understand. Okay. So see here. There are both students. Sorry, few students are playing in the ground. In that ground there is a swing in that tree. In that tree swing there are both students are playing. But two students going to that swing. But who is the closest and who is the longest? You have to tell me. Okay. This child is close to the swing. It's called to the swing. It's called a nearest. So I will tell you, this textbook is close to me. Is close to me. It's meaning of nearest. And this textbook close go to the long. It's called a longest. Sorry, it's called a farthest. It's called a nearest and it's called a farthest. So see the page number 7. In the page number 7, we see the first picture. In the first picture, what we have to do? In the first picture, we have to see the picture, and after that we have to tick. Okay. So see the first farthest from the swing. So we have to see farthest from the swing. It's meaning the long distance from the swing, and it's meaning this child is close to this swing is called the nearest. And this girl in the midst. Okay, in the medium. Okay. So see the first another picture we have to see. Take the puppy farthest from the tree. Okay, there are 4 puppies playing in that ground. In that ground there is one tree, and they puppies are playing to touch this tree. Which one puppy is the first? This puppy is the first. It's called a nearer or farthest. Nearest or farthest, there are distances close to the or long to the. There is the long distance. Okay, so this long distance is called a farthest. Understand? So you have to take the puppy farthest from the tree. So in this puppy, which puppy is the farthest? There is see here. The 4th number puppy is the farthest, not 3 ones. Okay, so this one is the close to the second one close, third one is the close, but 4th puppy is a long distance. So you have to take the farthest puppy from 4th number. Okay, So see the next. Take the tree nearest to the bird. Okay, see there are 3 trees and 1 bird. Okay, the bird, which tree is close to that bird? The first one, second one, otherwise third one. Okay, the first one and bird is distance is nearest or farthest? Okay, this distance is farthest. Okay, next second one tree and bird distance is farthest or nearest? There is the distance is the farthest. So see the first tree and bird is the distance is the nearest. So you have to take the first tree. Third one tree have to take. Okay. So students, so today we learn the nearer and farther, and next we learn nearest and farthest. So I will give the homework. You have to do the homework in home. In this homework you have to write the homework. Page number 6 and 7. Correct T. Correct one. Okay, so homework is page number 6, 7. T correct one, and you have also solve to the in home. Okay, thank you.